Is there a car behind me?
I don't know. Holy shit. Oh my god. We're off-roading. Are you gonna do it again?
I'm gonna try. I can't hear. There's a pole. Whoa! And
oh god.
The new Play 98.7 Chad's up next.
Oh god.
I can't, man. Fuck!
I
was gonna do it too.
She's a California dime, but it's time for me to quit her.
La la la.
Whatever.
La la la.
It doesn't matter.
This crazy bitch. Oh my god. Oh shit. Tire
Remember when your mom used to not let you in the car with teenagers because of this purpose? For this reason?
I forgot about that. Now I'm 18 and look, Mom.
Look, Mom, look what I can do.
No hands.
Hey!
We have no idea who the fuck that was. No hands. Oh! I guess this is why we have a Jeep.
This is why there's speed bumps on this road. Is there a car behind me?
Oh!
Oh, God! Ready?
Alright, I'm gonna catch on video when we fucking flip. Oh my god!
I don't know if it's a cop, that's why I stopped.
I'm just coming out the driveway, no big deal.
It's our party, dance if I want to. This is our last fun in Tampa. That's what this is. Well, like we come again!
It's my party, dance if I want to.